So we're moving on to the ethers now. This might be difficult to remember. Alkoxy. It's not often you get asked the functional group names, and then it's even more rare for it to be an ether. So this one too is also interesting because it's an alkane and it's just been separated and an oxygen's just been inserted in there, and that's it. So it's just an alkane with an oxygen stuck on the end. And so we just skip that an oxyalkane for the shortest group over there. So here we have increased boiling point. There's a polar bond there, increased dispersion and molecular weight. These ones are all given the methoxy. So I'm just methoxy, and just increasing the chain down there. They look kind of confusing because you can have, it's not usually just a simple straight chain over here and straight chain over here. You can have side groups come off these ends here, which is kind of annoying. Now, there are no spaces between all of this. I have written that in there. It does come up for the esters though. So these ethers are really quite nasty because we have, this one's the short chain. So this is ethoxy and this is the 1, 2, 3. So we count from the functional group. So really should be counting this way. So what we have here is, because we have a 2-methyl, we're not quite sure where this one is here. It doesn't have to be on the first carbon. It could be somewhere else. It could actually be over here. And so it could be 2-ethoxy, 2-methylpropene. So now we have to say whether it is, and we didn't have to do that before because it's all assumed. And so now that is on the first carbon is the ethoxy and the second carbon is the methylpropane. Okay. And so if you look at this one too, at the bottom one here, so it looks like the O's coming off there. And so it could be methoxypropane, which would mean it's over here. This is over here. So we have to say where it is now. So it's 2-methoxypropane. If you didn't say it, it'd be assumed. All right, it's assumed on the first one. On the first carbon, like this one here, 1, 2. Is it assumed here? You'd think it'd be allowed, but UPAC doesn't like it. All right, so if you've got another number there, put the other number over here. Quite annoying. Okay.